evidence was put in the spotlight during the trial of Jacob Bumpass today. He is charged in connection with the death and disappearance of Paige Johnson back in 2010.
Yeah, the last of the prosecutor's witnesses actually took the stand today. WCPO 9 News reporter Valerie Lyons is live in Batavia. And Valerie, you heard from a key medical expert in this case today.
Yeah, Craig, I can say with certainty we were talking about years and not months. That's what Dr. Beth Murray said on the stand today. She was the forensic anthropologist who examined Paige Johnson's remains. Now, she said given the condition they were in, she couldn't make a definitive determination on the exact time of death. But she could say that she was pretty confident they could have been in East Fork Lake Park since 2010.
Leading up to the entrance of East Fork Lake, did you ever have an opportunity to search at Mathis Road before?
No.
A bombshell in the courtroom Thursday, one that could bolster the state's case.
So that's an area that remained unsearched by law enforcement and EquiSearch until March of 2020.
That is correct.
And cast doubt on the defense's argument. It's hinged on the fact that prior to the discovery of Paige's remains in 2020, nothing ever turned up despite multiple searches around East Fork Lake Park. Attorney Louis Sirkin even grilling several detectives on that throughout the trial.
You just missed it or it wasn't there.
But David Rader's testimony seemed to answer why it took so long. He's the director of EquiSearch Midwest. He worked with law enforcement on those searches. Paige's remains were found off a small gravel path off State Route 32 called Mathis Road. Easy to miss, he said, so it never piqued law enforcement's radar.
You did not search that? You didn't dawn to go look at that area?
I was only going off of what law enforcement had wanted, and that was to go to the front part and clear everything on half acre that was leading up into the park.
Jason Kendall did know Mathis Road. That's how he ended up finding Paige's remains. He asked not to be recorded, but he did describe the spot, a wooded area with thick brush, exactly where he'd expect to find the deer antlers he'd actually been searching for. And though Kendall did tell Sirkin he'd been in the area many times between 2010 and 2020.
Did you ever see a skull there in those prior times?
He said he never saw the skull before March 22nd, 2020, because it was his first time in that specific location. We also heard from Covington Detective Austin Ross, the last investigator on Paige's case. Also opting out of recording, he told the jury the cell tower Bumpass's phone pinged off of in 2010 was just over a mile away from East Fork Lake Park. Now, AT&T only keeps records for 7 years, but from 2014 to 2020, there were no other pings from Bumpass's phone, suggesting Bumpass never went back there during that time. Now, during cross-examination, Dr. Murray also told the defense while the bones were consistent with that of 10-year-old remains, she said they also could have been there for just 5 years or even as much as 15 or 20 years. Live in Batavia, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.
All right,